Hey guys. So, a few months ago, like when this whole thing kind of started, I was trying to build a layout in that cabinet thing that I have. None of the parts arrived. I didn't get the track, didn't get any ballast or whatever. Nothing came. So, I haven't started anything apart from putting in the grass mat, which is still there. But I'm pretty sure I mentioned somewhere in that here, in the basement right behind you, I want to build a 00 scale layout in the basement. So, I went to True Value, and I got paint for my 009 Sir Handle, and they had a folding table. They have folding tables that you could buy. So I bought the first table of probably 2 or 3 that are going to build the layout. I only bought the one because they were like $80, so it's like, you know, kind of it's a reasonable price, but still kind of expensive. And it's here now. So I'm going to be setting up in this first part of the video, and possibly other bits. Don't know what the other bits are, but there are other bits. I also want to fix up my grandfather's workshop, which is right behind me. It's been a mess for years, so I figured why not just try and fix it up now. So let's start off this with first clearing out the space to make the layout, and then we will get to setting up the table. Let's go. So the plan is to go from this standing pipe here as far back as we can possibly go. So here's the table. It's really big. It's 6 feet long and very heavy. So let's get some of these ladders out of the way. And a trampoline, which is back here. And let's get cracking. There are a bunch of spiders in this house. I don't like spiders, so I don't want to see one. So I'm kind of hesitant to like move stuff around. Alright, I'm just gonna take out the table and hope for the best, that it fits in this tiny area that I have just cleared out. Get in front of the camera. You guys can see this, right? Can it stand? It can't stand. You guys can't see this. That's good. Good enough. Good enough. I've done that from the back so you guys could actually see. Would have been smart. But I'm dumb. So we will keep doing this with this incredibly heavy table. This should be straightforward, shouldn't it? Not sponsored. Get that out of here. Sure, lay down. That's fine. What's that red bar for? Oh, you guys actually can see that. That's incredibly impressive. Okay. is this red bar? I guess that, like, locks the table? Whatever. Ah, God. This is a two-man operation, but a one-man show. Jesus Christ. No, don't do that. Come on. Stand up. Oh, so it does lock it in place. It just didn't want to. Well, that's the first table done. So what I have planned to do is put a station here, put like the controller over here, and just run track along this way. This table's actually a really good size. So I'm going to build the station out of plastic card, or cardstock, card, whatever you want to call it, and just kind of run it along. Just kind of make like a nice big station, put some track down, and yeah, we're going to build a layout. It is very hot down here. I'm done for right now. Alright, so it's been a few days since this still doesn't like that. So it's been a few days since I last checked in. So the table's been set up now for a few days. It had a couple things on it, like these water things. It's been sitting on it. And also my Lionel G-Scale Hogwarts Express has been sitting on it, but it's all been cleared off, and now we have the HO scale track ready to test how the layout is going to look, and the basic idea of what I want for the layout on this side. Down there I plan to have another station, and then just a big stretch of track going all the way down to make a nice little, you know, a nice compatible railway. So, right. Fun fact, I'm still actually drinking that same water bottle as I'm editing the video. Alright, back to the video. Now I'm going to set up the track as to how I kind of want it, and I'll check back in with you guys when that's set up. Okay, so here is the basic idea for the layout. So here is going to be a station. I know it's kind of close to the edge here, but trust me, we're going to get to work. And why did my camera go out of focus? Okay, so here is going to be a station. There's not going to be anything here. This is just going to be ballasted over. But here is going to be the station. Now, why is there a space here? Because, sorry, I moved the track. I don't have enough points. I only have these 2 points. I need more points, especially if I'm going to build this layout properly. It's so far over because over here I want to have a shed for the engines to sleep in. So, you know, like if an engine needs to get onto like this platform, they come over here, they pop out, they go over, they come here, and in. Just simple switching kind of maneuver, whichever platform we need to get to. It's probably going to stay like this because I want to have a bridge, because that Metcalf kit that I built a while ago, a few weeks ago, I'm going to use it here. I'm going to bring it out here and just plop it in here. To like, you know, kind of hide this seam right here. And these tracks are just going to conform, and then it's going to come back out to like a two wide track after the tunnel. And then we're going to go over. Here's just going to be a nice big stretch of line. And then whatever table ends up over here, this is going to be the terminus. And what I want to try and do is I want to try and figure out a way how the engines can get from the front, or from the back of the train to the front, if they want to do like a switch around, and whether that means I need to move this track a little bit forward, or shorten the siding, so I can have that kind of like, you know, conjunction. And if not, I'll just leave it like this, and I'll just have the trains kind of, you know, just go at the front, and just go back and forth along the track. But this is the basic idea for the start of the layout, and of course I have like the plan for like 2 more tables over here, and we're going to have a nice big stretch of model railway layout. But this is the basic idea, and this is where we're going to end this video. We had 2 time lapses, obviously, which is great, and we also had a bunch of great content of me trying to put the table together. So yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching part 1, and I will see you guys in the next video, I guess. Thanks for watching, and keep ConBuild on. Bye!